Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about my skin and the progression it has done, but also I'm going to be derma rolling on the video for you using Baselifts derma roller. Okay, I will now show you a collage, a little bit of a slideshow of my skin at its worst, when it was kind of improving at the start of Accutane and at the end of Accutane. I was on Accutane for 6 months and now I have been off Accutane for 7 months. I stopped in December 2017 and now it is July 2018. So just a little bit over 7 months actually I have been off Accutane, and I'm so glad. It has done me wonders. But the thing with Accutane is you cannot derma roll or scar tissue remove and reduce. You cannot do that until 6 months after you have been off the tablet, because your skin is still very thin and sensitive. And to be honest, I definitely agree with that. That's why I waited 7 months, because even when I was using the Biore charcoal wash, that was very strong for me, and I couldn't use, you know, the facial brush, you know, the one I used, the magnetone one. I couldn't use the electric one, so I had to use a hand one. But even then I had to wait 6 months before I could use it, otherwise it was really irritating my skin and my face was red as anything, so my skin was still sensitive. So definitely wait 6 to 7 months before you do any type of acne scarring removal after Accutane, like 100%. So let's get to the derma rolling. So what I have here is the Baselifts derma roller. If you're an old subscriber, you've seen that I've reviewed the Banish acne scars roller, and that was great, but that was a slightly different needle. That was a 1.0mm needle. This is a lot smaller. This is, so it's a bit smaller because, as I mentioned on the other video, I have a low pain threshold. It killed me. I had to wear facial numbing cream, but the smaller the needle, the less pain you will get. So I'm hoping this is not going to kill me, because I've not got any numbing cream and I've not worn any. I might cry in front of the camera, I might cringy, because I did find it very uncomfortable. Probably better for my acne scars if I use a bigger one, but I just cannot like take the pain, because the Baselift version is UK based, and they include the roller, sanitizer spray, and they include the serum for about £100. You can actually use my discount code, will appear on the screen and in the comment section below. Please check it out, and then you can get your own little discount off Baselift and purchase your own. Okay, so I'm gonna actually open it now. So I got a gold one, so I got a 0.5mm needle. So on the box it just tells you the instructions. So it just says go over the face, horizontal, vertical, and then diagonal. Do it that way. And you need to make sure it's sterile and cleansed, and make sure you only go over that section 4 or 5 times. What is really important is also not only derma needling, but what you use after. So this is the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. So I've got some of that. My sister has a derma needle and we share this serum, so that's why it's halfway done. But she's got her own needle and I've got my own, but we share the serum. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray this with alcohol denet. That's what you need to use to refresh it as well. So we're gonna, oh, wrong way. So I'm just gonna clean it. So what I'm gonna do now, my face is completely clean. I make sure I scrubbed all the makeup off, and I used the facial brush to take all the makeup off as well, because you don't want to push any makeup into your skin, causing you to break out. So let's derma needle together. Okay, so I've sprayed the sanitizer. So as you can see, this side I have a lot of indentation, and this side I have an indentation and breakouts. I'm going to discuss that now. Okay, so with Accutane you will always experience hormonal spots, so I still will get breakouts because I'm due period wise. Okay, so let's go. So we're going to go up and down. Let's see if it hurts. Oh, it still hurts. Not as much as the other one. So I'm going to up and down. You're doing it, taking your time, because you don't want to drag the skin and cause a slit. You can already see my face getting red because it's already pink with pigmentation. I'm going to take it down. Ouchie. I think it hurts. I've got no pain threshold. So if you've got any live acne, do not dermaroll over them because it will puncture them and spread your spots everywhere. So these are not live, these are all dead spots. So now I'm going to go horizontal. So I'm really just going to go over where I've got those new spots, because you know, obviously you're not supposed to pop your spots because they leave scars, so most of the time I leave them now because I've learnt my lesson with my full acne face not to pop scars, pop spots. But I know that when my face is really clear and it's been about a week and the spot is still there, then I will pop it, and then that's what's happened here and here, where you can see more bright scarring. So I'm going horizontally now. Do you know what? You feel addicted. You feel like, no, get rid of it. Just go. All of my skin. I want it to go. I don't know. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do it all again. Up and down, horizontal and vertically, because I just feel like I'm on a roll, and I do want to make sure that, especially because I was scared the first few times, that I am really tackling it. It's not really bad pain, like, oh my god, stop it, because I would have stopped. It's standable. I think if you have got a low pain threshold, definitely go for 0.3 or 0.5 now millimeters. I'm going to respray this because I don't think it's best to wash it. Since that's actually been on my skin, let the alcohol clean that up. So my hands were really clean before. Please make sure your hands are clean. And what you're going to do is you need a small amount on your fingertips. I'm going to put 3 drops on it. It's quite sticky, this. So 3 drops of the serum. And then just going to pat it on. It's great to derma needle, but what you use after the serum is what's important too, because the serum is helping your skin regenerate because it's vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Stings a little bit now. But what you can do with this now is you just leave it and just go to sleep, because it's evening for me, and I can wear makeup in the morning because I use a 0.5 needle. It's 0.1 to 0.2. You can literally wear makeup the hour later. If you have a 0.3 to 0.5 needle, wait till the next morning. If you've got 1 millimeter, then you have to wait 24 hours at least. What I recommend now is not to use a face scrub or an exfoliant of any kind, because that has just caused holes in your face, micro holes in your face, and what it's doing now is your red blood cells are rushing to your face's surface. That's why my face is so red, to repair all the holes. So in turn they will repair those indentations too. This process should take a couple of months to really see the difference. Yeah, so we're going to see how it goes on, and I will give you a monthly update, because it says to use this needle no more than twice a week. And because I genuinely think that even though it's 7 months after Accutane, my skin is still sensitive. So what I want to do is actually use this once a week, not twice a week, only once a week for a whole month. Then I'll do another video to update you. Then I will keep doing the same type of thing continuous to keep you updated on how it's going. Hey guys, so it has been 4 weeks since I started dermarolling once a week. So I have dermarolled 4 times in total, once a week on the weekend. Have I noticed the difference? And honestly, yes, I have noticed the difference. My skin and my acne scarring has shrunk. I wouldn't say that it's totally gone away. You can see I'm looking pretty cool, and the rest of my skin's looking pretty good. All the acne scarring, I remember that I had indentations and a few pigmentation issues, but mainly indentations, and those indentations were so annoying, because you know when you wear your makeup, whether you want a dewy look or a matte look, they're always there, and the matte look helps reduce it the most. But you can see these craters in the face, and I hate them. Makes me feel ugly, and I know that beauty is from within and stuff, because I do love myself, but my skin honestly makes me sad, okay? It really does, and that's the honest truth. And any acne sufferers know what I mean, or any people suffering with skin issues know exactly what I mean. Yeah, we do love ourselves, we're happy with ourselves, but our skin just doesn't make us feel 100%. And what this has done is actually just shrunk the indentation. So I think that eventually, after me using it more regularly, it will disappear. So right now I am on holidays, so I'm not going to be working for the next few weeks. I am going to actually dermaroll twice a week and make sure that I'm not wearing makeup the next day, and making sure that it's at least 12 hours before I'm applying makeup, because remember I've got the 0.5mm needle. So let's address this thing that's going on, this situation, these spots, this scarring. Yes, you can see it, I know you can see it, I know you're going to comment saying, yeah Miss Bo, we can see fresh spots. You can, and it's because of this Cerazette. So this is actually a contraception pill. I was given this to reduce my period pains. Honestly girls, if you have really bad period pains, please let me know what you do to deal with it, because I cannot deal. Mine have got really bad over the past year. To be honest, it's been crippling pain where I've had to like stop work, I've had to miss work, I've had to, like in the middle of work on, I have to sit down for like an hour or two because the pain's become really bad. I've been tested for endometriosis and polycystic ovaries. They said that is a negative, but they think it's just severe period pain, so they're trialing pills on me. And this pill I took Cerazette a month ago, and you saw from earlier in this video I had a few spots here and I was hoping they would go down, but new ones are appearing every day. And I'm still doing the same stuff. I'm sanitizing my skin and make sure I'm using clean products. I'm washing my pillows at least 2-3 times a week. I'm washing my face towel 2-3 times a week. I'm being super clean as possible. And it's really annoying because you know I've just finished Accutane and I've just got rid of all my spots, and it makes me really mad. And actually the doctor was supposed to ring me yesterday and tell me. The doctor got back to me 5 days late to tell me that he has spoken to other doctors and they recommend me not to go on any more pills, but to continue on painkillers for my period pains. Also, he prescribed different gel to reduce the spots that are appearing. But I'm here for that reduced period pain. That is my main goal, and to get rid of this spot situation. I'm sweating so much, it's so hot in here. So all in all, do I think dermarolling's worth it? I definitely think 100%. If you've got acne scarring, definitely use it. And if you've got any live spots, because I had some live spots, and I would just go around it and I would avoid touching it, because obviously you don't want to dermaroll on the spots and puncture them, because then it will spread and you'll puncture them, they'll pus and leak out and make more spots, and we don't want that. Okay, so don't dermaroll if your acne is active, but if you do have a few spots here and there and you know the rest of your skin's pretty clear, just dermaroll and miss the spots. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to use my discount code MISPA and we get 50% off Baselift website. Go on girls and guys, get that discount, get Baselift, because it's the most pain-free, if I'm being totally honest, at the same time as seeing results. So now I'm going to go to twice a week with Baselift Dermaroller. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos and you want to see my videos more regularly, because I am uploading every Sunday. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.